After a busy week, my husband and I always agree na kailangan naming mag-stroll at mag-unwind kasama ang mga bata. These weekends allow us to renew our strength and set a positive mood for the week ahead. For my eldest at school, kay tatay sa work, at para sa akin na rin. It serves a double purpose. Quality time na, building good memories pa for our children. Pumunta kami sa isang spot na hindi pa namin napupuntahan during daytime. Nagbaon kami ng dinner at snacks para makatipid. Pero alam niyo naman, kahit may baon, mahirap pa rin hindi mapabili pag may nakitang masarap.
Tabi-tabi po. Hi, baby!
I can truly say, this day is beautiful. Ang lawak ng space, perfect sana pang picnic. Pero napili muna naming maglakad-lakad since it's our first time here. I'm amazed that even in the middle of the city, you can find a place to truly relax. Nakaka-inspiring panoorin yung mga taong nagja-jogging. Habang ginagawa ko ang video na ito, ang saya at gaan sa pakiramdam. Iba ang saya kapag pinapahalagahan ng oras na kasama lang sila at wala nang iba pang iniisip pa.